This is what happens when you do things out of sequence. When I had this cut, I was going to cut this little notch with the disc grinder, with the cutoff wheel on the grinder, and ended up welding it all together. Now I'm doing this probably the hardest way known to man. I don't even know where I'm at on the recording in this project, but I wanted to stop and take a moment and take a look at the gate. So here's our quatrefoil design, and then our little lattice work, real simple, nothing fancy. We've got our twists, and you note the twists got left hand and right hand twists, or right hand and left hand, I don't know which way, I really don't know one from the other, but they're going in opposite directions on either side of the center line of the gate. No idea why I did that. I just thought it was fun and I did it. So there you have it. One important thing on this gate was when I originally designed it, I wanted to be able to swing the gate both ways. Well, that meant a gravity bar for a latch. And then later, the customer said that she wanted to be able to lock it. So I came up with a deal to integrate a deadbolt in it, and the striker piece is going to be this guy right here. It simply attaches to the post, and so I think it'll work. It's pretty okie dokie. We'll see, but yeah. So basically, what we're trying to do is I'm trying to get this thing finished up today, and I think I'm going to try and get a coat of paint on it, at least on some of the parts. Some of the, like the knuckles, I like to get a couple good coats of paint on it before the final, because the cast iron's so porous, and it kind of takes a little extra effort to cover it. But anyway, we're going to start cleaning, doing a lot of sanding, grinding, and then tomorrow I should be doing the installation. So let's get to work. Well, that was that gate. We got it put in. It went in really well. There was no problems aside from bringing the wrong bolts to actually bolt it in place. This week, I'm going to start working on 3 more. They're bigger, much more ornate, heavy, so heavy gates. Not really jazzed about the weight of them, but they're mostly built already. They need the hardware put on them. and they need to be completely fit because they're getting powder coated, so they have to get all done. Got to install them, take them down, and then take them to the powder coating people and let them powder coat them, and then the final install. So hey, thanks for watching that's another video. If you want to follow a lot of what I do, check out the I have a Facebook fan page thing, Black Falcon Metal Arts. I don't know what it is, but I'll put the link. And then same with the Instagram. I have an Instagram account that I post to pretty much daily. So yeah, I'll put the links for that, and see you next time. Bye.